It was a big deer with huge horns. It was almost like it was their pet, oddly enough. We made it to Salida, Colorado.
Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hope you enjoyed our last video going over Independence Pass, but we are now on Highway 50 coming out of Salida. And just so you know, I did not run over a deer, but I did go in a pretty massive pothole, which definitely jarred and rocked us while we were on the bike. So we are now on Highway 50 coming out of Salida, Colorado. And as you can see here, it starts out in Sacramento, California, and goes all the way across the country to Ocean City, Maryland. Through that, there's a portion of it known to the Loneliest Highway that's here in Nevada, that's before it goes into Utah and then over into Colorado. We are going to spend our time going from Salida over here over to Cañon City, Colorado. And man, what an amazing adventure this was, going through the canyons. It was our first time to actually travel with the Arkansas River right next to us. And wow, I mean, it is a completely different view than what we see in the Arkansas River in Tulsa, Oklahoma. So as you can see, the Arkansas River, it's just such a beautiful waterway that goes all the way from Leadville, Colorado down to the Mississippi River. It's actually the 6th largest river in the United States, and then also has whitewater rafting, and then it actually is a corridor for migrating birds, mainly bald eagles that actually nest during the winter times here in the Tulsa, Oklahoma area. Sand Springs, there is a bald eagles nesting area that is a place where you can actually see from across the waterways the bald eagles nesting there. And so really an amazing sight to see. If you get a chance to come to the Tulsa area, I would highly recommend checking that out. But I hope you did get to see the waterways beforehand, where the pictures of what it looks like in Colorado compared to Tulsa, Oklahoma. Let me assure you, it is a dramatic difference between the two. Matter of fact, sometimes the river even dries up in the state of Kansas and on the northern parts of Oklahoma before it gets all the way down to the Tulsa area, where it is dammed up and actually becomes more of a major water thoroughfare over to the Mississippi River. So, man, what amazing views that we have on the road here on Highway 50. As you can see, just all around us, we're inside of a canyon, and then you got the river waterways next to us that just travel with us all the way. All right, we got still more riding to do, so thank you again for being a part of our channel. We appreciate all of you. Please like and subscribe. Check our channel out. We've got a lot of videos out there through Colorado. We also were in Kentucky the year before, and then Zion the year before that. We do appreciate all of you that have been a part of this journey with us. Thank you so much, and we'll be back to you here on the other side. Whoa, Highway 50, right? Like, this is unbelievable, magical, majestic, all the superlatives that you can say. But Highway 50, earlier I spoke about it being the loneliest highway. That is actually in the Nevada area. The name was given back by Time magazine back in 1986, mainly because it crosses over 5 mountain ranges and 5 deserts. Can you imagine? I mean, that's going up and down quite a bit of times. And then it has sections that go 50 to 70 miles without having a gas station. So you better fill it up before you get on to the next pit stop when you're in Nevada. And then last, it's actually known for one of the darkest areas in the United States, mainly because there's the least amount of light in that area. and so it gives you an amazing view of the stars during the nighttime. So, but we are in Colorado. We are almost to Cañon City at this point, where our journey is going to take us going on the train down below the Royal Gorge and actually being able to walk across the Royal Gorge. We're going to talk about that here in just a moment and kind of give you a little bit of a preview of what our next video will be like. So keep watching. We're going to see you on the other side. Hey friends, hope you're enjoying riding Highway 50 here through Salida over to Cañon City. As you can see, we're going to jump on a train on our next video, and it is the Royal Gorge train that takes you underneath the Royal Gorge. We also take time to go across the top of the bridge and take the gondolas across, and let me just tell you, it is breathtaking, amazing. If you get the opportunity, you absolutely need to do it. Going into it, I was actually like, I don't really want to do that. But then after going through it, it was unbelievable. And so we're going to get finished up here on Highway 50. And then on the other side of this, we actually have some really cool drone footage. I finally actually get back to having my drone, unfortunately losing other videos from on top of Independence Pass and over in other areas of Colorado. And so we're going to see you on the other side of this so that we can do our celebration of channels. Thank you so much for being a part of this channel. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, be a part of this with us. We appreciate all of you for jumping in and riding with the Mild Hogz. Hope everybody's enjoying riding on Highway 50 into Cañon City. How did you like those drone videos? Oh, God. Jeez Louise, I can't talk, man. Okay. Check 52. Okay. We obviously are. Hey, we didn't have any wine this time.
We did not, but it's been a very long day.
It has been a very long day, and trying to do this after we get done with work is probably the worst idea possible. So, but we'll get this going. All right, Mild Hogz, hope you've enjoyed, or thank you everyone. Hope you've all enjoyed our video riding on Highway 50 going into Cañon City. Man, what an amazing view, riding right next to the Arkansas River. It is fantastic.
So pretty.
Yeah, it was so beautiful. And hey, we had drone footage. How about that? Yeah, it was finally a win since I deleted all of it for pretty much the entire trip through Colorado. So, but
rookie mistake.
Yeah, well, I am pretty much a rookie all the time. But we're going to do our celebration of channels. We are going to head south, way south. Where are we going to go?
Down under.
We are going to go down under. That is correct. We're going to Australia and the Tasmania area and all those places. I cannot say this enough. Thank you for all your support that comes from Australia. I will tell you, I had no idea
It's just wild.
the motorcycle scene was so large and so big in the Australia area. And man, every time I watch one of those videos and watch being on the other side of the road, I don't know why, it's intoxicating for me. I just love it. It's like something so different that we never get to see in the stateside. So for all of you down there, keep on riding, keep on driving, get on those 2 or 3 wheels and take the motorcycle out on an adventure. So what do you think about that?
That would freak me out, I think, a little bit.
Being on the other side?
Yeah, like, because I'd probably not pay attention. I'd be on my phone, and then I'd look up and be like,
what?
Yeah.
You on your phone?
That never happens.
That never happens. Podcast galores. There's a couple of things that are interesting down in Australia, and I was going to kind of roll through these. Big things, by the way. Big things. Australia is obsessed with giant, kitschy roadside sculptures like the big banana and the big pineapple. So my challenge is to somebody's got to show that to me. If it's already on one of your videos, link it to me so that way I know what video I need to go see because I want to see what we're talking about.
Boy, would that be a fun trip. Yeah,
we might be able to ride on water, get on down there.
Ride on water?
Yeah, to get all the way to Australia.
Okay.
No? Okay. That's not real. Unique sports like...
I can't even see that.
Cockroach racing?
Oh, no.
I want to see that.
No,
like, please.
I don't.
Yeah. I want to see what in the world we're talking about a cockroach race. That sounds kind of interesting.
Of any kind.
And then there's a tuna-rama, which I know how much you love tuna fish. Yeah, you throw a tuna. Do you throw a tuna at each other, or how does that work? I don't know. You gotta let us know.
Throw them to see how far they can throw them.
Oh, that would be kind of cool.
I don't know.
I don't know, but let me know. I'm curious about that. And then a servo. I've actually heard that a couple of times on video. So that's a gas station. Yep, service station. Then we have the stubby holders.
I feel like that's personal information. I don't know.
Yeah.
That sounds a
little stubby.
We don't like stubby holders.
What kind of stubby holder you got? Hey, all right. And then we got chucking the sickle.
What?
Sicky. Sucky. No, it's a sicky. Yeah. Chucking the sicky. It's taking a day off work when you're not actually sick.
So you're faking.
Yeah.
Calling out.
We call it faking up here, but they call it chucking a sicky.
Chucking a sicky.
I'm going to start using that term, by the way. I think that's kind of a little fun thing to do. And then
we call a sick day when we're not really sick here. I feel like there's something we do call
I'm sure there's probably something we call it.
All I can hear is chucking a sickie.
Yeah, that's all I know is chucking a sickie. So
good job, guys.
Yeah, this is good stuff. I really say this in all seriousness. Thank you so much for all your support. It's really cool to have people so far away. Yeah. And I think it's really neat that YouTube is able to pull this all together, that we can see things all the way from Australia. There's some amazing rides that happen down there. I've seen waterfalls. Oh my goodness.
For sure.
And there would be so many of you that we could go down there and see too. So, but starting off here, we got a couple of channels, actually 6 of them. We got Harley Diaries, Twisted Baggers, Throttle Reborn, Keep 'em Together, Messing About, Pius Augustus, and then Ultra Fam 1 Adventures. A little quick story on them. Their content and their channel actually got deleted about a week ago.
Oh, no.
And they don't know why, and there really isn't any reason for it, but they do not know who was subscribed to them, and they don't know who they subscribed to. Oh. So they're actually having to start all over again. Yeah. And so if you can, check out their channel. If you were a part of their channel, go make sure you like and subscribe back to them. They're a family. The husband and wife take the kiddos on the motorcycles, on Harleys, and ride around in the Tasmania area and also in Australia. So pretty cool deal there, but really sorry that they... it's bad. I have not looked on a map to be able to tell you exactly all those areas that we're talking about.
You guys know.
So I'm going to say Australia, because that kind of encompasses a lot.
Thing, maybe?
Yeah. But I know there's a lot of different areas in Australia and a couple of places that I've got to watch in your videos. So, well, we have now taken this way past the amount of time that I expected. But for all of you down in Australia, we truly appreciate all of you being a part of our channel.
Thanks for watching, mate.
Yeah, thanks for watching, mate. Like and subscribe, and we shall see you on the other side. Oh my god, we're not recording. Okay. Oh god, dang, I felt the wind from that. Woo, here we go again. Take 50. All right, hope everybody's enjoying the video. We are coming to Cañon City. You all right there?
I've got caramel in my teeth.
Oh,
Sorry.
got choked up a little bit. All right, here we go again. Oh.